Good morning. Oh my God, bank holiday Monday. Thankfully, I have only got one to do today. This is one I brought down with me. A new client recently bought this. She's pretty good shape, to be honest. Just needs a little TLC here and there. It's had a few touches up here over the years, but we're gonna do what we can with her. Give her a bit of a wash. See if we can do a bit of paint correcting on this tank. Yeah, paint a few bits here and there. I think he's going to replace these shocks as one of them is pissing out oil. But what a lovely example. I don't think it's had a lot of use if that's the original mileage on it. 10,000 miles. Sweet. Let's work a little magic. Well, there you go. 3 hours later, this Suzuki GSX 750 has been trotted. Looking pretty sweet. Oh my God, she wasn't too bad, to be honest, but we're giving her a bit of a trot makeover. Polished up all these engine cases, touched up a bit more of the engine that was badly done before. I've sanded down a few bits on the frame and painted them. This brake arm, which is all rusty, I quickly sanded that down, gave that a bit of black. Sorted out these wheels, painted a few bits on this back caliper. I did a two-stage paint correction process on the tank. This has been repainted at some point. It's got a bit of orange peel, but I got a nice bit of gloss back to it. I then treated it to the Ultimaxx Signature Pro, so it's now got 5 years worth of ceramic paint protection on all the bodywork, headlight, mudguard, tank, side covers, rear section. I painted the airbox cover, which was all rusty. These engine cases have come up quite nice. It's only little bits and pieces, but like I said, overall she was pretty good. Polished up all the front of the exhaust. Very nice for an old bike.